Hello my dear children, welcome back to the online class. Myself, Mrs. Nivedita Matpati. I am here with the subject English. Which subject children? Yes, English. Today also we will continue with the grammar part. Can you tell me in the last video what we have discussed children? Yes, we have discussed about the alphabet. In alphabet, can you tell me how many letters are there? How many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes, you can see here. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Isn't it children? From A to Z. So, among all these 26 letters, there are some vowels and some are consonants, isn't it children? So, see here, you already know that there are 5 vowels. Once again, I do repeat, there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Isn't it children? So, except these 5 vowels, remaining letters are known as consonant letters. You can see? Yes, these are 21 consonant letters. Are you able to see children? Yes. So, we have learnt about the vowels and the consonants. So, in the last video, before ending, I told you some 2 points children. Isn't it? Can you tell me which are those 2 points? I told you that about those 2 points we will be going to learn in a deep discussion. Can you remember? What did I tell? Don't worry. If you have forgotten, no need to worry. I will tell you. I told that first one, we use A before a consonant word. We use A before a consonant word. Second one, I told you that we use an before a vowel word. So, I have given two examples in the last video, but in this video we will be continuing with the vowels and the consonants. Okay children? So, here today we will be going to learn about where to use A, where to use an, and where to use the. Okay, see towards the board. Okay, A, an or the. A, an or the. They are known as articles. A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S articles. What they are known children? Yes, they are known as articles. See here. A and the known as articles. Okay. So, as I told you, do you remember what did I tell? Yes, I told that we use A before a consonant word. We use an before a vowel word. Then next coming to the THE, the. Here, where we'll be using the, we'll come to know in this video. Okay, even about A and an also. Got it children? With many more examples. So, let us see here towards the board. We use A to represent a single object which begins with a consonant word. Got it children? For example, dash ball. So, can you tell me children, the word ball starts with the letter B here, isn't it? So, B is vowel letter or consonant letter? Yes, see there. B is consonant letter, isn't it? So, I'll write A here. A ball. See to the next one. Dash table. See to the consonant letter chart there. Yes. Dash table. Here in the word table, the letter starts with T. So, can you tell me T is vowel letter or consonant letter? Yes, T is consonant letter. So, for consonant letter, we use A here. Okay? A table. Next, see to the third one. Dash chair. Dash chair. Can you tell me, children? See to the chart. Consonant letters. C is a, yes, consonant letter, isn't it? So, we'll write A here. A chair, isn't it? Like this, you have to remember the consonant letters, children. If you will come to know which are consonant letters and which are vowel letters, then it will be very easy for you where to write A and when to use an. Got it, children? Now we'll do some exercises on consonant word. Okay, what is there, children? Yes, bat is there. So, can you tell me the word bat begins with consonant letter B, isn't it? So, for bat, we'll use A. A bat. So, now see, what's the picture? Yes, it's kite. K-I-T-E, kite. So, the word begins with a letter K. So, K is a consonant letter. So, we'll use A. A kite. Next, what's the picture? Yes, it's fan. The word fan begins with the letter F. So, can you tell me F is a vowel letter or a consonant letter? Yes, F is a consonant letter. So, I'll use A fan. Next, can you tell me what's the picture, children? Yes, tiger, isn't it? So, the word tiger begins with the letter T. So, T belongs to a consonant letter. So, we'll use A tiger. Next, can you tell me, children, what is the picture? Yes, parrot, isn't it? So, the word parrot begins with the letter P. So, can you tell me P is consonant letter or vowel letter? Yes, P is consonant letter. So, we'll use A parrot. Next, what is the picture? Yes, cat. So, the word cat begins with the letter C. So, C is a consonant letter. So, we'll use A cat. A cat. Isn't it, children? Next, can you see the picture, children? Yes, tell me what is the picture? Yes, it's hen, isn't it? So, the word hen begins with the letter H. So, H is a vowel letter or a consonant letter? Yes, H belongs to a consonant letter. So, see here, A hen. So, these are the examples of consonant word where we will be using A here. Where we will be using A. Now, next we will go for second one. We use an to represent a single object which begins with a vowel word. Means for vowel word we will be using an. Okay. For example, see here. Dash A-N-T, ant. So, the word ant with the letter A. See here, 5 vowels. So for vowel word we use an. Okay? So for vowel letter we use an. Next example, dash ox. O-X, ox. So the word ox begins with the letter O here, isn't it? See there, A-E-I-O-U comes under vowel letters, isn't it? So what we will use here? Yes, the word an ox. Next, dash apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple. The word apple begins with the letter A here, isn't it? Can you see? Yes, A is a vowel letter. So what we will use here? An. A-N. An. So let me give you some more examples. Can you see to the picture, children, what it is? Yes, it is egg. So the word egg begins with the letter E. So E is a vowel letter, isn't it? So we'll use an egg. Next, what's the picture, children? Yes, ice cream, isn't it? So the word ice cream begins with the letter I. So what we will use here? Yes, an ice cream. Next, can you see the picture, children? Yes, it's umbrella, isn't it? So the word umbrella begins with the letter U. So U is a vowel letter. So what we will use here? Yes, we use an umbrella. Okay? Then next, can you see the picture, children? It's owl, isn't it? So the word owl begins with the letter O. So O is a vowel letter. So what we will use here? Yes, an owl. Next, what's the picture, children? Yes, elephant, isn't it? So the word elephant begins with the letter E here, isn't it? So E is a vowel letter. So what we'll use here? An elephant. Got it? So these are the examples of vowel word. Got it, children? Now let us go to the third one, children. That is the. T-H-E, the. See here. We use the before the names of holy books, rivers, historical places and the things which are particular. Okay, children? See here. We use the before the names of holy books. Okay, then rivers. You know the holy book's name, then the river's name, historical places names and the things which will be particular. Means which will be having a particular name for the thing here. Okay, for example, see here, the sun. Okay, sun is a particular thing here, isn't it? So we'll use the. Next, see here, the Ganga. Here, Ganga is a river name. It's a particular river name here, isn't it? Have you seen to the Ganga river, children? Yes. So, it's a particular name of a river. So, we'll use here T-H-E, the. We'll say it as the Ganga. Next, the earth. We all are living on the earth, isn't it? So, earth is a particular name here. So, we'll use the earth. Next, see here, the Mount Everest. Here, the Mount Everest is a particular place, isn't it? Have you seen city which are particular here. So can you see to the Sharanabasweshwara temple it is, isn't it? So it's a particular name of a temple. So what we will tell? The Sharanabasweshwara temple, isn't it? Have you seen to the Sharanabasweshwara lake, children, here? Yes, it's a river place name. So what we will tell here? It has a particular name, that the Sharanabasweshwara lake. Okay, children? Next, can you see the picture, children? It's a dargah. Have you ever visited dargah in our city? Yes, you might have visited, isn't it? So it's a particular place. So we'll use the dargah. Okay? Have you visited to the public garden, children? It's a particular place, isn't it? So we'll use the public garden. Then even Sharanabasweshwara temple park is there, isn't it? So what we'll use here? The Sharanabasweshwara park, isn't it, children? Have you visited to the Buddha Vihar? Yes, you may have to visited. It's very beautiful, isn't it, children? So it is also a particular place here. So what we will use here? The Buddha Vihar. Got it, children? Now next. So the things which will be given a particular name, such as books. Now can you tell me? Bhagavad Gita is a particular book name here. So we'll use the Bhagavad Gita. Okay. Then Bible. Bible is also a particular book name. So we'll use the Bible. Children, you might have seen to the sky, isn't it? Sky is a particular thing here. So we'll use the sky. Okay. So these are the example, children, of where to use the. Here we will be using the in the names of holy books, rivers, historical places. For example, historical place, Mysore Palace is there, isn't it? Have you visited to the Mysore Palace? Yes. So Mysore Palace is a historical place. So we'll say the Mysore Palace. Okay, like this, and the things which are particular. So the things which will be particular, those things, for those things we will be using the here. Got it, children? So these are the examples of the. So in today's class we learnt many more examples of articles. Can you tell me how many articles are there? There are 3 types of article. One is a, one is and the another one is the. Here a will use for a consonant word and will use for a vowel word. Next comes the. For the we use before the names of holy books, rivers, historical places and the things which will be particular. Got it, children? So let me end up today's class. I think you might be perfect with the articles. Can you tell me which are the articles here? Yes, a and the are the articles. We have discussed in deep with many more examples on a and the. Okay, children? I want you to make still more examples on the articles a and the. Okay? So let me end up. I'll come with the new more interesting topic in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.